When warehouse floors fail, it is rarely because the concrete is bad. It's because the wrong coating was used. This facility was dealing with dusting concrete, tire wear, and constant maintenance shutdowns. Forklifts were grinding the surface down, and cleaning rooms just couldn't keep up. We started with a full mechanical surface preparation to open the concrete and ensure proper adhesion. Most peeling floors happen when this step is skipped. Next, we repaired cracks and joints, as well as installing a moisture-tolerant primer to prevent bubbling and future delamination, especially important in older slabs. Then, we applied heavy-duty resinous flooring system designed for forklift traffic, impact, and hot tire resistance. Safety stripping was integrated into the flooring, not painted on top, so not to wear off in high traffic aisles. Within a short cure window, the floor was returned to service, durable, cleanable, and dust-free. A properly installed warehouse resin floor doesn't just improve appearance, it protects the slab, reduces maintenance costs, and keeps operations moving.